Starting an online store might sound complicated, but Shopify has made it easier and cheaper than ever. For a limited time, you can try Shopify free for 3 days. And after that, it's only $1 a month for the next 3 months. No credit card is required to start. All you need to do is click the link in the description or scan the QR code. On the sign-up page, type in your email, hit Start Free Trial, and you're in. No payment details are asked for. You'll answer a couple of quick questions, or just skip them, and immediately land inside your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice Shopify offers different plans to suit every type of business. For example, the basic plan gives you everything you need to run a solo shop: unlimited products, 10 inventory locations, discount codes, cart recovery, and access to apps. If you're building a small team, the Grow plan might be better because it adds staff accounts, professional reporting, and lower transaction fees. For businesses that are scaling quickly, the Advanced plan unlocks 15 staff accounts, advanced analytics, and real-time shipping rates. And at the top level, the Plus plan is designed for big enterprises with unlimited staff, up to 200 inventory locations, wholesale features, and priority support around the clock. There are also 2 additional plans. The Starter plan is built for social selling. It comes with 2 inventory locations and even supports in-person selling through phone or POS. And the Retail plan is built for physical stores with 10 inventory locations and 1 POS Pro location. The good news is, whichever plan you choose, there are no contracts. You can switch, cancel, or upgrade anytime. So how do you actually set things up? The first step is choosing a theme. Head to Online Store, then Themes, and open the theme store. You can select from a wide range of free or paid templates, preview how they look, and publish instantly. No coding required. Next, add your products. From the Products tab, hit Add Product. Upload your images, write your titles and descriptions, set your prices, and organize your inventory. Once your products are in, it's time to customize your store. With Shopify's drag-and-drop editor, you can change the layout, adjust fonts and colors, and upload your logo to make the store look like your brand. After that, visit the App Store to extend your store's functionality. There are apps for reviews, upselling, email campaigns, and more. But the best practice is to start small. Only install what you need to keep things clean and simple. Finally, before launching, open Settings and set up your payments, shipping rules, taxes, and checkout preferences. These are the essentials you'll want ready before customers arrive. No matter which plan you're on, Shopify gives you unlimited products, free hosting, mobile optimization, and SSL security with no setup fees, and your store won't go live until you're ready, so you can explore everything risk-free during the trial. So if you've been waiting for the right time, this is it. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to start. You'll get 3 days free, and then only $1 a month for 3 months. Take the first step today and build the store you've been dreaming about with Shopify.